What's up everyone, I'm Jacky YBT, tech away, tech everything. Today another tech video, and this is the Xiaomi Mi Band 3 unboxing video. So let's take a look. I came in mind that this is the old packaging, right? The old packaging contains the plastic, transparent, looks through box type, you can see through the product. But the latest one, they cover it up with black and white, I think. I'll show the picture right here, you can see the difference. Personally, I like this kind of box design, but it's not good for the environment using plastic, Yeah, so they changed. Okay, without further ado, let's get started the unboxing experience. So you open up, there's a tab here, the arrow, go up, and you can see the thing. Take it out, and then you see the cable, proprietary cable, and the band itself. Because this is their band itself. So it's much more harder to put it in, and it's much more tight. Because some of the Mi Band 2 user complained that the body itself will come out very easily. Yeah, so they improved the back, and the body itself is much more larger. Okay, and what's inside? This is the China version, so you can see it's all in Mandarin. Yeah, the international version will be shown in English. Yeah, okay, so nothing. So this video made possible by Ernest, one of my good friends. He sponsored this video by letting his own Mi Band 3 for us to unbox. Yeah, just talk about some spec. If you know how to read Mandarin, you can pause it. But just go through the basic stuff, right? The Bluetooth 4.2 BLE version, okay? And supports Android 4.4 or iOS 9.0 and above. The battery is 110 mAh, water resistant, 5 ATM, and the color of the product is black. Yeah, that's the most important thing that you should know. Yeah, okay, the water resistance improved a lot. You can go down to 50 meters underwater. Okay, so how to get out these? Just just pop up from the bottom, then push up. Okay, here's got the stickers. Gonna get rid of it. Okay, so still working. Okay, so it comes with 0.78 inches color OLED, 128 x 80 pixels, can last for 20 days of battery life. So right now I'm gonna install the band first, put inside. This one is very hard to put. Oh, actually not that hard, but when you want to take out, it's very hard lah. A bit wrong already, no, wrong way. Yeah, you have to pull a bit and then you drag it out. So should be like this, yeah. Okay, so you pull a bit out and then you put the band inside. Okay, so let me take off my lovely Seiko 5 SNKL77K1. You guys can watch the video that I made about this watch. It's a really beautiful watch, automatic. Yeah, so I'm gonna put it aside first, just to try on this.
2,000 years later.
Okay, so this is the Mi Band 3. Fits my hand, very nicely and done. I would say the band itself is really nice, very refined. The design, they much more polished already. Refine the design, and in order to use this, you have to swipe up for more information, heart rate, and left and right for the other features. You have to download the Mi Health apps in order to customize the face, to sync all the data to your phone. You can raise and wake, the same feature you got in the Mi Band 2. You also got can accept call and message notifications, caller ID, those stuff. Of course, you can set heart rate sensor, like how long you want to measure your heart rate, something like that. got more information. You can show the weather apps. You know, it's much more feature packed compared to the Mi Band 2. They improve a lot in terms of the display because larger display, larger battery can display more features. So this video I'm just going to make it short, just to show you what's inside the box, and this is just my hands-on video, general stuff. Very nice. So that's about it, guys. Hope you like it, this short video. Remember to give a thumbs up, comment down in the comment section below, share it to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.